right, well, let's go then. You drive. Take a left here. Right. Won't take us long. Just a couple of places. I want to check out. We'll find it. Don't worry, just try. Let's stop here. I've gone here before. Hold up. Alright, no good. Just try. Take a right here. Right. Take a left. Alright, hit your next left. Right here. Hold up. I'll be back. No. They're not home. Alright, try it. Go up here. Take a left. Right. Drive. Stop. Whoa, wait. Watch out for this guy. He's driving a little crazy. Watch out, we don't need an accident. Go. Alright, here we go. Here it comes. This should be it. Try. Hold up, this is the place. I know it's here. I'll get it. I can feel it. Yeah, hold up, pull up right here. This is it, I know it. Hold up. Pull up, stop right here. I'm gonna get out.